It's like uncharacteristically warm today in New Jersey for March. I think it's like 60-something degrees out. Got some sticks and yard waste burning. Spent the beginning of this part of the week pretty much just being Harry's appliance repair again. My microwave broke, which turns out they just used like automotive fuses in, and the fuse blew, so I'm hoping that's all that's wrong with it, but yeah, I ordered up some fuses from Amazon, swapped that out, and then today I was just giving my boy Nick from work some pointers on driving his new car. He just bought a Veloster N. Maybe that'll be on the channel soon, not sure. That's up to Nick. All right, so a little bit of a different video today. As you saw probably from the intro clips or whatever, my daily Hyundai Venue is disgusting inside, and as part of this whole like consistency, stop procrastinating kick I'm on, along with uploading every week, is I gotta clean that out. I'm usually not the one to detail my cars or anything. I mean, I do have some stuff for my cooler cars, but my dailies usually never get cleaned, probably from like when I buy them to when I sell them. If you're really into detailing, you should check out my boy's channel, which I'll link in the description. My boy Tyree from work, he details, and he just started up a channel, so definitely go check him out, check his videos out, drop a sub over on his channel, watch his videos, puts out some good stuff, especially for his first couple videos, so definitely check him out. Like I said, links in the description for him. But yeah, we're gonna get into it. I'm at least gonna try to clean all the trash out of it because it's disgusting, vacuum it out, maybe clean up the inside, and that'll pretty much be this video. I don't know if you're gonna be able to hear anything. I'll probably just throw music over it with the shop vac, but yeah, let's get to it. Definitely had to bring the whole trash can out to clean this thing out. It's disgusting inside. We're in that weird in-between time of the year where you need a jacket in the morning and then a t-shirt in the afternoon, so I've been hoarding jackets inside the car for like 3 months. Yeah, so just finished up getting all the trash out of it. As you can see, my diet consists of seemingly mostly M&Ms and Marlboro menthols. But yeah, now we're gonna go ahead, throw the shop vac on, get that whole thing vacuumed out. Just losing a lot of daylight here, but I got the light in here. Back seats came up good. All this stuff has to go in the house or back in the trash. Back seats came up good. We're gonna hop into the front, vacuum that all up. Yeah, we're losing a lot of light, but I'm gonna hit these doors with some Griot's cleaner. I think this is a wrap because I honestly don't really care that much past this. Just trying to clean all this water of some sort off this door and then the vomit off the other door. Big shout out to Kate for puking on my door, or else I wouldn't have this video to film today. So shout out you for the new video. So yeah, happy I got that car cleaned out. Definitely feeling better about that. Like I said, I'm not really into the whole detailing thing, but if you want to watch those kind of videos, definitely check out my boy again, Tyree. Links in the description. Go check him out, show him some love. This car is getting registered and insured soon, and I'm gonna try to put like I'm gonna try to set a goal mileage to put on it before I start buying more like fun parts for it, just in case anything needs to be addressed maintenance wise. So yeah, I'm hype on that. I think my fuse for the microwave just showed up, so I might throw that in this clip. I'm probably cutting into like the outro clip, but it's whatever. I'm gonna get this microwave fixed, and there'll be a more complete video because I actually fixed something. So the fuses for the microwave did come in. As you can see, they're like little, just regular fuses with a little filament in it. So I'm gonna get that swapped out real quick, and then we'll end this video, wrap this video up. So you can see in there, the fuse actually goes in there like a old like dome light bulb. Fuse is in. I'm gonna just plug it in and see the lights come on, because before nothing would come on. Yep. All right, I'm gonna put this cover and all back on. I'll like put in a little time lapse in the video, and microwave's fixed. All right, it's all back together. All right, cool. Looks like that works. So probably cut back to the outro clip. But yeah, thanks for sticking in. If you watched to the end, make sure you hit like, comment, and subscribe if you're new here. About to hit 400 subscribers. So again, shout out to all you guys. Appreciate it, and we'll see you on the next video.